and for certain people and for me also, it has been a very, very emotional journey, wherein there have been so many, you can call it a roller coaster ride when I look back at my this year. जब मैं एक साल को पीछे देखता हूँ, तो जब हमने बोला था कि हम 870 का नंबर करेंगे, और उस टाइम पे अखिलेश जी हुआ करते थे, अमित जी हुआ करते थे, आशीष थे, और मैंने बोला 870 का नंबर करेंगे. तो आई थिंक उस टाइम पे हम भी कन्विंस नहीं थे कि ये नंबर हो सकता है. When we started off, हमने बोला कि हमने एक नंबर ले लिया है, बट ठीक है, देखते हैं. I would like to take this time and take you to a memory lane wherein what we have done this year. Okay, कुछ लोग हमारे साथ हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं हैं. जो लोग नहीं भी हैं, मैं उनका नाम भी लेना चाहूंगा, because they have played a very, very important role in this journey. One guy is Priyanshu Sahu. He was the first guy who started working with us on GG, and after that Ajit ji took over, and the way GG has given us numbers has been fantastic. So a good round of applause for there would be many people in GG who might get awards here, but I know there is one girl who is not getting any award this night. Her name is Shivangi Gogia. Please stand up if wherever you are. She has done 33 sales. 33 sales, 6 महीने में. 33 was your number, right? 33 sales in 5 or 6 months, or 6 months is not a joke. I think fantastic, and thank you so much for doing that. Then we went to Umang. बड़ा रजत जी यहीं पे बैठे हुए, बड़ी बहस हुई थी इनके साथ कि हम 50 का नंबर करेंगे, फिर हम 60 का नंबर करेंगे. बहुत आगे पीछे गए, बट ही डिड आई थिंक 65 or 66 registrations. 80 नो सेल्स कितनी हुई थी?
Closer, I think 60 plus.
63. So 63 was the number that he did. There are 3-4 guys. I think surprise जिसने दिया, that was we knew that Bhavna is going to perform. We knew Atul ji is going to perform. There were 3 people who gave me a good surprise there. One was Anisha, good show girl. Then there was Deepak Khushwa, and I think Rohit, you have done an amazing job. Well done, yaar. Well done. And many people don't know it. Rohit took a 4-day or a 5-day off for his wedding, and he was back. Okay, hafte bhi chutti nahi, ladke nahi, and he was back and he was doing his job. And thank you so much for doing that, yaar. Thank you. Surbhi team, तरंग टीम, टाउन टीम, फैंटास्टिक वर्क. बहुत अच्छा काम किया. एक टीम है हमारा द्वारका, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते उनकी, लेकिन बहुत खून पिया. कहाँ गए अनूप जी ने? कहाँ पे? एक बार खड़े हो जाइए आप सबके लिए, ठीक है? सो आई थिंक जितना डर मुझे इसकी कॉल उठाने में लगता है, उतना किसी की कॉल उठाने में नहीं लगता है. So fantastic work done there. In Umang, I'm sorry I forgot to take one person's name. He is also there. His name is Sopat. I think the highest registration done there. Well done, yaar. Then came there is one team जिनका नंबर ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, लेकिन उन्होंने अपना नंबर डबल किया, and that is my अनमोल team. And I think आप लोगों को शायद ये जान के सरप्राइज होगा कि उसकी 44 सेल का अगर आप नेटवर्थ निकाल के देखते हैं, that would be at least 70 to 80 sales in any other place, because एक ये हमारे करोड़पति आदमी है, करोड़पति से मतलब he doesn't sell anything less than a crore. So well done यार. कैंसिलेशन के राजा हैं हमारे कुछ लोग जिनका नाम है निर्मय टीम, गलती से कहिए चाहे कैसे कीजिए, बट दिस टीम हैज आल्सो डबल देयर नंबर, मोर और लेस डबल नंबर किया है इन्होंने भी. एंड लास्ट जिस टीम ने इस साल हमारी लाज बचाई, आई थिंक दैट इज शुभम टीम. एक चैलेंज था, एकदम से रेरा का कुछ जीएसटी का कुछ इशू आया. वी स्टार्टेड आवर रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड द चैलेंज गिवन टू दैट टीम वाज टू गिव अस 12 सेल इन ईच ब्लॉक. Okay, and they did that. I think fantastic work done. And the type of teamwork these guys have shown is that they were working without an AM. Their VP is a new VP in the system. Lot of good work happening there. And अभी हम कुछ लाइव काम कर रहे हैं. पम्मी वुड शेयर अ नंबर और आप सबके पास शायद वो नंबर होगा. देयर इज अ गर्ल कॉल्ड रितु. अगर वो आज नहीं होती तो 28 लोग यहां नहीं बैठे होते. उस लड़की का कल एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो द स्टोरी. जिनको पता नहीं है, रात को हमको 11:30 पता चला स्पाइस जेट में जिसमें 28 पीपल वे ट्रैवलिंग. Their flight got delayed by 3 hours. So, sorry, 11 o'clock flight was delayed till 3 p.m. and then subsequently to 5 p.m. So, she started working on it. मैं सो गया था, मैंने फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. So, Ashish ji and she were working. And then when I got up, I got a lot of missed calls. And I'll come to that in the last, okay? So जब मैं उठा तो मुझे पता चला कि मेरी टीम, द टाइप ऑफ ट्रस्ट दे हैव विद मी ऑन मी. सो ज्योति, आशीष, पम्मी, दे डिसाइडेड कि अगर 7 बजे तक इसने हाँ नहीं बोला तो देयर वाज 80,000 रुपीज मोर दे वर सपोज्ड टू पे. वी विल गो अहेड एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट ही डज विद अस. ओके, दैट वाज द कॉल टेकन बाय देम. बट आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट द ओनरशिप टेकन बाय दीज गाइस. But Ritu did a fantastic job. She met with an accident yesterday. Okay, in that condition, working till 2 o'clock in the night. As soon as I said yes at I think 6:10 or 6:15, within 20 minutes, all 28 people had their boarding passes on hand. So that is a fantastic thing. So आज आप लोग जब जाएंगे यहां से, मेरे को उस ग्रुप में मैसेज नहीं चाहिए. प्लीज, यू हैव टू मेक पीपल फील स्पेशल. एवरीबडी राइट अ इंडिविजुअल मैसेज टू रितु. प्लीज थैंक हर, बिकॉज अदरवाइज ये मजा नहीं आता, ये झमघट नहीं लगता. ठीक है. देन देयर इज अनदर गर्ल ऑफ माइन. इस पूरी ट्रिप में मैंने सिर्फ बोला था कि हम 8 तारीख को जाएंगे. इस ड्रीम को पूरा का पूरा सक्सेसफुल बनाना was, ठीक है, इन दोनों में थोड़ा सा काम किया. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि नहीं किया. But a girl who made it true from the sales side was only Jyoti, and I think fantastic job done. ये तो हो गई सेल्स की बातें. हमने 292 करोड़ रुपीस कलेक्ट किए हैं. सो माय बैक ऑफिस टीम, थैंक यू सो मच यार, वेल डन. रीसेल रेंटल, आई थिंक 1200 प्लस रेंटल्स किए हैं हमने, विच इज कितना 1282, which is a fantastic number, and these guys have taken 1900 plus ka target this year. I think or I'm very proud to announce that I was hearing that correct me if I'm wrong here, VG और GG में हमारी fresh sale का price is lesser than resale. resale महंगा में बिक रहा है वहां पे. फैंटास्टिक जॉब यार. इस मार्केट में ये काम करना बहुत बहुत ही बड़ी बात है. सो एंड दिस इज अबाउट सेल्स. जब हम अपनी बात करते हैं तो आदमी का जो शरीर चलता है एक दिमाग से चलता है और दूसरा दिल से चलता है. सो इन आशियाना आवर हार्ट, आवर कोर, जो भी हमको ब्लड मिलता है जिससे हम जिंदा रहते हैं, उस टीम का नाम है मार्केटिंग टीम. आई थिंक 5000 इंक्वायरीज जनरेट करना कोई मजाक बात नहीं है. 50,000 इंक्वायरीज, सॉरी. थैंक यू सो मच यार, वेल डन एंड थैंक यू सो मच ईच वन ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सो मच यार. So now I'll request Ankur sir to say something and then we'll start with our awards.
NRI customers से पूरे दिन बात करना, it's a very difficult job what you guys do, and I really thank you for the same, and I really appreciate it. I read this book and I love this statement. You know, as a kid, if you ask anybody, do you want to be a salesman? Nobody would say yes, right? We never thought we would be salespeople as a kid. But one thing we have learned is that to sell is human. As human beings, we always selling either a product, either our concept or our thought. To be a great sales guys like you guys are, thank you so much. It takes lots of hard work, and it's a lot of intelligence being brought. People think it's just the gift of the gab. It's not truly that. It's the hard work of making sure the inquiries are being handled properly, the site visits are happening properly, you're understanding consumer behavior, you're going through the booking, you're making relationships to get references. It's not simple, and thank you again for doing all that hard work. The other thing I'm very proud of, and you know, except Deepak and Pami, which we hired from the outside, all our AMs this year, all the managers this year have been promoted internally. And one of the things we take pride as Ashiana is that we want people entering at executive levels and growing with the company as we learn more and more. But one of the things we have to do as individuals is make it a double. Next year our theme is make it a double. That means double our sales. So what we have done is going to look like simple. We're going to make it 1600, and this team is going to do that. 1600 units is what is our plan next year. For that, one of the things we need to look at, and you must have heard Bhaiya say it, is that we have to double our own capability. How can we sell 1600 units if we don't work on ourselves? And I hope as a company, as people together, we make sure that we just don't double sales. We double as human beings, as better managers, as better sales executives, by learning more and more of what we are doing. All right. Thank you so much. Have a brilliant time. And as I always say, work hard, party harder. All right. Thank you so much, guys.
So tonight we are going to have 3 sets of awards. We'll start with our resale rental awards, then our platinum, and then fresh sales awards. Okay. So in resale rental there are 4 categories. So तालियां बहुत जोर से बजाना यार. हाँ, जिनको नहीं मिला अब कोई बात नहीं, होता है, ठीक है.
तालियां ये होनी चाहिए कि नेक्स्ट ईयर मिलना.
तो ये जो जिसको मिला क्या ना, अगले साल मैं आऊंगा बेटा, तेरे को बजानी है, ये सोच लेना. सो राइजिंग स्टार ऑफ द ईयर फॉर रीसेल रेंटल इज आशीष गुप्ता. इज हियर. No, it's okay. Well done. ये मेरा फेवरेट अवार्ड है. हर बार आई थिंक वो किसी भी टीम को जाए, लेकिन आई थिंक I always wanted to be this whenever I used to sell. Okay, so best sales. हाँ, well done, well done. And this guy has won, I think, maximum number of goals. He's Swapnil Rathore. Most consistent performer, yeah. Being the same. Well done, Swapnil. And now the team award, the best sales team of the year is Team VG for Resale Enter. Please come here. Come on. Come on. Dharmender, you can also come, please. Where are you? Come. You give it to me. अरुण सर, ये क्या बात हुई यार? बता भी तो एक ही प्लीज का। हाँ, and this is you. You're supposed to carry it throughout. Well done, guys. Well done. Thank you. Congratulations. Yeah, well done. Well done. Really, really proud of you. Well done. Okay. I'm sorry. क्योंकि हम लोगों को आपको पार्टी ज्यादा करानी थी, तो हमने इस वजह से थोड़ा सा किसी कॉमेडियन को नहीं बुलाया और गाने वाने नहीं गवाए. So we'll straight up. हाँ, हम ये कॉमेडी. Okay. So we are going to platinum category right now. Just for everyone again, what is platinum? जिन्होंने गोल्ड अचीव कर लिया था, उनका हमने टारगेट दोबारा से 4-5 सेल से बढ़ा दिया था कि अब देखो ये भी मार पाते नहीं मार पाते. And I think 13 people or 11 people? 13 people achieved that, and out of those 13, 10 are here, right? Okay. Well done. So, yeah. So, जिसने सबसे ज्यादा सेल मारी वो सबसे ज्यादा रहेगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? So, the first name is Ashok Kumar. अशोक जी, ये गीत हो गया क्या? टीम ईजी में शायद सबसे ज्यादा गोल है आप. This guy was the newest guy. I think 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ इनका. आप यहीं खड़े रहेंगे. सबसे ज्यादा सेल मारी है आपने आज, तो सबको चिढ़ाना है. So his name is Abhishek Singh Baghel.
Great job. More than congratulations, great job.
And this is a certificate for you. Hey, well done, yeah. Rohit Mishra. मैं देख लो जिसने ताली नहीं बजाई, नवरात्रे चले मैं दारू भी नहीं दूंगा, ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
Well done, yeah. Well done. Well done. Other guy, I don't know who is going to click the photograph. Karthik Nair, yeah. Please come here.
इसको मैं पहना पाऊंगा कि नहीं? Good job. आप
हाँ, लीजिए. हाँ, 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 कोई बात नहीं. So, this guy, when he came in, special story for him. When he came in, I met him and बच्चा गुड टू गो का 7 दिन करके निकलता है. तो मुझसे मिले और मुझसे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली एक बात बोली कि आई सेड व्हाई डिड यू जॉइन आशियाना. पूछ लेता हूँ कभी कभार. तो भाई साहब ने मेरे को एक कहानी सुनाई कि दैट हिज नाना टोल्ड हिम दैट ही शुड जॉइन आशियाना. एंड आई थिंक टुडे योर नाना वुड बी वेरी वेरी प्राउड. हिज नेम इज राहुल कुमार.
Great job.
This is a very, very fine lady. And I sometimes call her by the name of Girl Power. Anisha Tanwar, please come on.
Great job. Great job.
टी शर्ट भी अच्छी लग रही है तेरी यार. Okay. This is one person. Whenever I have met her, she's always smiling. And the problem is sometimes I'm very, very angry at her, but I can't say much. Her name is Bhavna Thakur.
Like no way. Great job. Come.
This is for you.
Great job.
Well done. Very, very proud of you. This is the guy that who is just standing there, who just got married, joined us near about 6-7 months ago. Just FYI, he has not missed a single goal since then.
Wow. That's phenomenal.
हाँ लेट तुम ही आते हो. This is I think इनको दूसरा नाम भी दे सकता हूं मैं, लेकिन आज नहीं बताऊंगा. जब पार्टी में बात करेंगे तो then we'll talk. Please come, Giriver Singh. This guy has got contagious smile. The way he smiles is fantastic. And this is for the person, I think, जब हमने प्लैटिनम कैटेगरी शुरू कर दी थी, she had already achieved it. एंड शी सेड कि मैं इस साल का मार्जिन ऐसे बढ़ाऊंगी कोई मेरे पास भी नहीं आ पाएगा. एंड आई थिंक ग्रेट शो. There you go. So, when you look at them, ध्यान से देखिएगा. There are three more.
Jitendra. Hariharan.
Jitendra and Hariharan both are not here. So they're not able to come because of some personal reasons. But अगले साल प्लीज हाथ खड़ा कीजिएगा कि ऐसे आप लोगों में से कितने लोग खड़े होंगे.
Come on, guys.
ठीक है. हाँ? We already have one. Yeah, come on. We are a team. Don't say that. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was wonderful having you here. Thank you.
The first team of the quarter.
I'll do it. Okay. Now, पिछले साल का एक अवार्ड अभी तक थोड़ा सा रह गया था. So there was a lot of competition happening. There was some advantage, disadvantage. First, I'll like to take the name of the team which came second here. Okay, that was Team Umang, which was very close for platinum. And I got a lot of calls from them. We have not taken offs or whatever it is to achieve this platinum. We have been looking for we're looking for this platinum award, and we planned it so well this time around. Thank you so much. And just one thing, without registration, 20 सेल करना कोई मजाक नहीं है और इस टीम ने करके दिखाया. Thank you so much. But the team of the quarter has done little better than them, and my team of the quarter is Team Shubham. Please, all three guys from Team Shubham, come aage. Come, 7. Pallavi, come.
No, this, no, this, then highest number of booking, this and this. Then.
So now, do you all know who has done the highest number of sales this year? So next award is highest number of sales done by a person. It is Richa Vishwakarma. Please come. Now, the team which has done the highest number of sales. अंदर आओ, number बताओ. But before we call the name, I think I would like to mention the name of the second team. That was Vrinda Garden. Very close competition. I think fantastic work done by you guys. And I think the fight that you guys gave them was a Kickstarter for Rajat. Motivated to do this year. So please Team Uma come on stage. 169 sales guys. बहुत जोर से तालियां बजाइए यार. मुझे मैसेज हाँ गो अजीत अब तो नीचे नहीं उतरेगा. हाँ
Great job, guys. Great job. Two more.
and this is also for you guys. Hold it. Now the final two categories. This year our theme was Olympic theme. So एक बंदे का नाम है जो बहुत तेज भागता है, जिसका नाम है हुसैन बोल्ट. मुझे ये नहीं पता उसने कितने गोल्ड जीते हैं, लेकिन मुझे ये पता है कि अशोक गुजर जी ने 11 गोल्ड जीते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच अशोक जी. The highest, the best seller of the year is Ashok ji. Highest number of golds.
It's so difficult to be consistent here amongst all one.
Yeah. I think for me, he's my Usain Bolt. Yeah. उल्टा हो गया.
ये भी उल्टा. Hold on. God.
Well done, yaar. Well done. Well done. Well done.
Great job.
I think immense respect for this guy. It is not a joke to consistently sell or do 3 bookings or 4 bookings a month. I think a fantastic job done by you. And now one of the teams, जिसने I think from Chennai, our team, to Team Umang, Team Vrinda Garden, to in the starting, I think Harvinder was also giving a good competition to people, and I think they would do a much better job this year. Lot of competition which was given by these guys, and straight I think 10 or 9 goals. How many goals for Vrinda Garden this year, Ajit? GG, sorry. 10 goals. As a team, winning 10 goals is not a joke. Everybody has done a fantastic job. So team of the year is Vrinda Garden. Oh, sorry. Gulmohar Garden. Sorry. Sorry. Please come. आ जाओ. अपना so congratulations all of you. And, there are teams, so everybody is very significant. That's why whenever we go out as a team. It doesn't matter who has done lesser or who has done more, but failure or here. And I want to end this by saying one thing, that sales team शायद इस बार होली में छुट्टी की थी कई जगहों पे, अदरवाइज होली, दिवाली, दशहरा every day. And I really want to thank you guys for doing so. Plus, I want to thank your families because sometimes you are not there to celebrate things with them. Okay, and they do a lot for us as a brand, for you, and they sacrifice a lot. So whether you have won or lost, please go back and thank your parents for all the support they have given you. And we are going to have a thank you. Thank you. Huh? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And in the end, there is a small team of mine who's here, जिनकी ज़्यादा तारीफ नहीं होती, ज़्यादा गाली खाते हैं. There is Pammi, Ashish, Jyoti, and I'll call Vijay and Namita also here. Please come here. हम लोग बहुत गालियां खाते हैं, आप लोगों से इंक्वायरी नहीं मिलती. So please come over, and I would like you guys to please give them a great round of applause here. Well done, guys. I'm really proud of you. I am. Chalo, let's party now, guys. Okay. 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 मेरे को आता नहीं करना. I'll try. Go. Just do it.
दूसरा बोल देती हूँ.
हाँ.
ऐसे ही बोल देती हूँ सर मैं.
हाँ. हाँ.
She doesn't need it.
हाँ.
To the trainer.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.